A soldering station is a device that has a handheld iron, which is used to join different metal components together. It does this by injecting a filler metal into the created joint, which is usually a permanent one. There are many products available to choose soldering stations, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best soldering stations from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weller Soldering Station. As a leading brand in electronic products and soldering iron stations, Weller presents Weller WLC 140-watt soldering station. This is an analog soldering station that produces up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit of temperature for all your soldering works. Plus, the temperature levels are adjustable for all your different soldering needs. It provides a consistent temperature throughout your soldering period by use of the inbuilt Weller certified ST3 copper tip. An inbuilt iron stand is also included to accommodate the soldering iron in between soldering jobs. It is an easy-to-use soldering station which features a power control feature with an adjustable power level of up to 40 watts from 5 watts. The solder tip is built to last long while producing maximum output. The tip has an iron coating with chromium and nickel which fights rusting and corrosion. This soldering station is ideal for soldering works on jewelry, crafts and small appliances among many others. What we like about it. Weller certified ST3 provides consistent temperature level. Throughout soldering works. Soldering iron can be easily replaced. Easy to use pencil-like soldering iron. What we don't like about it. Not a digital soldering station. Bag or case not included in the purchase. Only works on electronic components. Number 2. Vaster Soldering Iron. This Vaster soldering iron station is an electric soldering iron. It comes in handy and portable to be easily carried and used in different places, as and when the need be. The entire soldering station weighs 1.75 pounds, and it is an analog soldering station that has a temperature regulator which can handle soldering works that require up to 480 degrees centigrade temperature. Also added is a control knob to regulate the power from 5 watts up to 60 watts. This soldering station is easy to operate. It has a platform for the soldering iron to keep it in between the entire soldering period. Purchase of this product comes with a sponge to be used for cleaning dirt and residue and to prepare it for the next job. This is a perfect product for beginners as it is a very easy to use soldering station. What we like about it. Includes 5 different soldering tips. Includes a cleaning sponge. What we don't like about it. Does not have an LED screen. Does not work at 220 V of power supply. It only runs on electricity. Number 3. AOYU Variable Power Soldering Station. For a great all-around values, this AOYU 469 Variable Power 60-watt soldering station has you covered. The product weighs 1.45 pounds and is a 60-watt power soldering station that runs on electricity. It has an easily removable tip design and is made of top-quality ceramic material that traps heat, as well as a heating range of temperature from 200 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade and runs on 110 V power supply. It also has a solder iron compartment holder to keep solder iron safely in between soldering works and a security measure to prevent any unintended incidental burns of any components or materials. This soldering station does not run on battery, but rather, it is solely powered by electricity. It is suitable for undertaking all your personal and commercial soldering tasks. It is easy to use the tool. What we like about it. The easily removable iron tip. The heating mechanism provides greater efficiency. Built with a removable iron tip makeup. What we don't like about it. Only runs on electricity and does not support batteries. Package does not include solder. Not compatible with 220 V power. Number 4. Hakko Digital Soldering Station. This Hakko FX888D23BY digital soldering station comes in a blend of blue and yellow colors. It is one of the current soldering stations on the market and features an improved system that increases the heater component on the thermal's recovery rate by up to a whopping 30%. Thus, the level of productivity when using the conventional Hakko soldering station models shoots up to 30%. This digital soldering station also utilizes the T18 series of soldering tips in its heat transmission from the soldering station to the components. This enables soldering to be done in a minimal set temperature to lower the level of impact that the thermal has on the parts being worked on. It also helps extend the lifespan of the hot tip by regulating oxidation. This soldering station again produces an additional 20 seconds thermal recovery rise time on the graph. What we like about it. T18 soldering tips regulates heat transferred onto components. Thermal recovery rate improves efficiency. Thermal tip is durable and long-lasting. What we don't like about it. Quite difficult to regulate. Manipulating the current temperature and temperature. Calibration can be confusing. Features only 2 control buttons. Number 5. Xtronic Digital Display Soldering Iron Station. This Xtronic model number 3020 XTS Digital Display Soldering Iron Station is a top-quality soldering iron station. It is a complete system that serves both the beginner and the professional. It has new and enhanced features that have been carefully crafted to give the utmost performance. It is of top quality and durability and promises to last longer than all soldering stations in its class. As a digital soldering station, this product comes with a sizable LED screen that displays in blue. The screen can be adjusted to your preferred temperature display. An automatic cool-down function prevents any situation of overheating, and a Celsius-Fahrenheit switch is also added. For a convenient user experience, this soldering station has a grip that is ergonomic in its make and made to resist heat. Again, it features a self-test technology which is an inbuilt full intelligence system to curb all issues regarding overloads, short circuits, and overtemperature. What we like about it. Features an easy-to-use Celsius-Fahrenheit switch. Includes a 10-minute sleep timer. Features a blue LED screen. What we don't like about it. Sleep mode duration is not adjustable. Does not come with any European plug type. Does not support 220V power supply. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it